Introducing the new innovative AutoFoam dispenser, a touch-free dispensing system powered by light. Now with LumeCel technology, the new AutoFoam dispenser eliminates the need to purchase, store, replace, and dispose of alkaline batteries. Installing and operating your LumeCel AutoFoam dispenser is quick and easy. To begin, open the dispenser by inserting the key into the holes on top of the dispenser. Turn the key clockwise, and the cover will easily swing open. Remove the pouch holder and activate the energy cell by releasing the pull tab. This dispenser includes a lux detector, which measures the amount of light available in a washroom and indicates if there is enough light energy to be stored in the rechargeable energy cells that power the unit. The lux detector has two modes. Install mode detects and confirms room lighting. Run mode keeps your dispenser running efficiently. Flip the lux detector switch right to install mode. Close the cover and hold the dispenser in your desired mounting position, being sure not to cover the front or top solar panel with your hand. For optimum performance, position the dispenser at a minimum height of 12.5 inches above the counter in a well-lit area. If the lux detector beeps at least 3 consecutive times, pauses, and repeats, that area has the proper lighting. Switch the lux detector left back to run mode before installing the dispenser. The dispenser needs 67.5 hours of light spread out any time over a 7-day week, which equates to 13.5 hours per day for a facility on a 5-day work week. To begin installation, choose either adhesive or screw mount. For adhesive mount, first, clean the area with the provided alcohol wipe and allow the clean surface to dry. Peel off the adhesive liner and press the unit firmly in place for 30 seconds. To screw mount, cut out the mounting template from the dispenser carton and mark 3 screw holes. Drill 3 pilot holes and insert the optional anchors. Use a screwdriver to insert the top screw. Before mounting, remove the motor and place it inside the cover without disconnecting the wires. With the cover still open, hang the dispenser on the top screw and secure it with the remaining 2 screws. Once the dispenser is secure, slide the motor back into place and replace the pouch holder. To install the refill, fold the dispensing nozzle upward at a 90-degree angle and then slide the soap pouch into the pouch holder. Remove the plastic cap on the dispensing nozzle. Fold nozzle down and simultaneously engage the tip of the nozzle and the adapter key into the adapter arms and listen for audible beep. Tightly fold back the top of the soap pouch and close the dispenser cover. Test the operation of the dispenser. To retrofit a LumeCel cover onto an existing AutoFoam device, open the dispenser and remove the pouch holder and the batteries. The cover is held in place by 2 angled tabs on either side. To remove the cover, pull forward on one side of the cover while closing it until the notched tab disengages. To install the LumeCel cover, attach one side of the cover by inserting the notched tab into the slotted hole. Repeat this action for the remaining side. Peel off the backer paper of the adhesive on the lux detector and place it in the motor to the left of the energy cell slots. Install the rechargeable energy cell and connect the wires. Flip the lux detector switch right to install mode to measure the lighting. If 3 beeps or more are heard, flip the switch left back to run mode and follow the steps for refill installation. If 3 beeps or more are not heard, remounting is necessary in an area with more light. Remove dispenser from the wall and begin at preparation. Once the new location is determined, complete the screw mount and refill installation instructions. The factory default for the audible tone is set to off. This is the recommended setting for maximum energy cell life. If a refill is needed, a red LED light will flash every 2 seconds. If the sensor is blocked for more than 10 seconds, a green LED light will flash every second. For full instructions, please refer to the hard copy instructions included with your dispenser. For more information, visit www.rubbermaidecommercial.com.